Hey everyone! Today we're going to be showing you how to configure your customer-facing display with RepairDesk. Now, first things first, you want to log into your account and go over to the integrations page. All right, once you're at your integrations page, select the customer-facing display right here. Now this takes you to your customer-facing display integration page. The first thing you want to do is enable your customer-facing display by clicking this button. So we enable it, and it'll give us a notification that the setting was updated, and you'll see the button change. Now once that's done, we're going to head over to configuration settings. So here in the configuration, the first thing we need to do is we need to copy the terminal link. Now, you can do that by clicking this button and clicking, let's say, terminal 1, we copy that text, and I'm going to open a new window, paste the link over there, and while that's happening, I need to select my terminal as well. So here I'll select it to terminal 1, and when I switch over, no, my customer-facing display is now displayed. So the customer-facing display works with 4 primary triggers. When it's creating a repair ticket, when we're checking out, when we're making a trade-in purchase, or when we're making a refund. Now these can be individually turned on and off, and for each case that it's turned on for, whenever that happens, the customer-facing display will show the results for that. When it's turned off, the customer-facing display will not react to it. So we want to edit these as we want. There are a couple more options over here that we can customize. And once everything is done, it's important to click the Save button right at the bottom so that our changes are committed. So once that's done, it'll tell us our settings have been updated. Right. And here's our customer-facing display, which is completely configured now. So let's go to our point of sale and run a couple of examples. Right. So here we have our POS terminal. And as you can see in the cart, it's showing nothing right now. There's nothing in there. And the customer-facing display shows the same thing. Now let's add a repair to it. Let's add something. We want to go Apple, iPhone X, battery replacement, follow through with the next couple of steps. All right. Let's right. So here I'm going to enter an IMEI number. Here I have my device pre-repair condition checklist. So here I can enter a number of options. Save that checklist. And when I'm all done, I tap confirm. So the item is now added to the cart, and when we check over to our customer-facing display, it's visible there as well, along with all the conditions that we mentioned. So let's suppose I want to change the price on this. Let's say from $99, I want to carry order repair for $150. So the price is updated, and we can see the changes reflected over here in our customer-facing display as well. If I want to add a discount, let's say of about $20, I'll update that, and as you can see, it shows up on the customer-facing display as well. So when all is said and done, I'll click on Create Ticket, and it'll give me instructions on the customer-facing display. So on the customer-facing display side, here's what we see. We see our terms and conditions. I will click Accept, and I will click Next, input my signature, click Apply, and there we are. Ticket's been created. Right. So our customer-facing display created a ticket and it works perfectly fine. So let's see, I want to go back to that ticket. So I'm going to load that ticket in. And here we see it's back up there on the display again. And let's change a couple of parameters over here. Let's say I remove the discount. Move the discount over here. And my ticket is updated, and so is my customer-facing display. If I want to change some of the pre-repair conditions, I could do that too. Let's say I add the volume button, click save, and it shows up right over there as well. If there are any things that I want to edit with the ticket, let's say the battery and the SIM card was supplied, save that, and that information shows up on the customer-facing display. Okay. All right, so that concludes our demo for the customer-facing display. It's pretty simple to use, pretty easy, and it updates everything in real time now. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for choosing RepairDesk.